Hi guys, welcome to Reno kitchen. Today we are going to make Korean spicy chicken. It's called Dakgalbi. I will add mozzarella cheese. This is going to be crazy combo. Dakgalbi is also very popular among Koreans, so I wanted to show you how to make it quickly. Okay, here we go.
All you have to do is prepare chicken thigh, onion, cabbage, garlic, potato, green onion, hot pepper paste, hot pepper flakes, sugar, soy sauce, sesame oil, black pepper, mozzarella cheese. Set up the cutting board and knife and slice the vegetables one by one. Cut off the bottom of the cabbage and cut it into bite-sized pieces. You can wrap the leftover in a bag and put it in the fridge. Put the cabbage into the pan right away. Prepare green onion, garlic, onion, and potato. Rinse them in running water. Peel the potato and cut off the bottom and top of the onion. Remove the garlic roots because of bacteria. Cut the green onion into bite-sized pieces and put it into the pan. Potato, onion, chop up the garlic like this. Yes! Put them into the pan, slice the chicken thigh, and then say goodbye to cutting board and knife. We don't use it anymore. Paper cup, quarter cup hot pepper flakes, quarter cup sugar, quarter cup soy sauce, quarter cup hot pepper paste, quarter cup sesame oil, some black pepper, and mix well with the gloves. Medium-high heat, put in a cup of water and wait for it. That's it! Break the potato and when they are cooked, done. It's ready. Shall we sprinkle some cheese? Isn't it really appetizing? Oh, I can't wait to try. You will be surprised how tasty it is. I do recommend you guys leave in the comments down below. So just to let me know if you have a question or want to see other your favorite ones. Thank you, bye!